So moving forward, this is the off ramp right here. So this is where people enter. Dude, we're riding on the shoulder. So Junior Martinez, hey, I'm going to tell you right now, a big common factor that a lot of motorcycle riders have to deal with is too much speed and then drivers not seeing us. Also, bad positioning. Places where we're not supposed to be, a lot of drivers don't expect us to be there. That's one of those things when it comes to humans. We don't look up for hazards. You know why? Because we don't have any predators that come from the sky. So we're never looking up and be like, man, what could get us? What could get us? We're always looking into the bushes. We're always looking down. We're always looking side to side behind us, never up. That's what kills a lot of firefighters. That's where I learned this, is that a lot of AC units fall from the ceiling. A lot of roof collapses. So we were trained as firefighters, look up. That made me think, oh, we need to be where we need to be. We need to be seen. Okay, so when it comes to this, we're on the shoulder, dude. Other car drivers aren't going to expect you to be there. So be very careful with that. Why do you think this person didn't see us? Because they don't expect anybody getting on the on-ramp hauling butt, especially when we weren't there in the first place and in their blind spots. That's true. Aussies have to worry about predators from the sky. So we're hauling ass. This is an exit, basically. So this is like that, the on-ramp to the interstate, but then it's also that one lane that disappears to go to the off-ramp to get off the interstate. So when you're in the right lane passing everybody, guess what? You're going to have people wanting to turn right and get off. And that's where you're at. So we're hauling ass, and guess what this person's doing? Ooh, no. It's going to get close to you. So there's that rev bomb. This is what I want you guys to do instead, outside of not speeding and doing what this guy's doing. I want you guys to start moving over to the right. As soon as you see that person come into our lane, a rev bomb and never changing positions, we're assuming that this car driver is not going to be touching us. Okay, I'm not going to assume that. I'm going to assume that I'm going to go ahead and take responsibility for myself and move over to the right a little bit more to dodge this person, and then check my pantalones so that I, brown stage, check my pantalones, because you know what? I put myself in this situation. I need to realize I'm going to do my own after action review and be like, okay, I shouldn't have done that. This person needs to relax. And then look there's the whole blaming of other drivers and never taking responsibility for ourselves. If you blame other people for things that happen to you, you're never going to learn.